Thank you, Jay. The city of Wichita now officially owns the former Park Elementary School building after finalizing a $1 purchase from the district. The city says it's going to turn this building, this former school, into a new homeless shelter, and it's going to spend millions of dollars in federal money to do so and to open it up by winter. KAKE's Eli Higgins joins us live from outside of the former school with those details. Eli.
Chris, the first thing the city did after finalizing that sale this morning was, like you said, approve a multi-million-dollar project that includes steps to help residents in the area feel safe. And the people we talked to said they do feel good about it.
Most places don't put these kind of things in residential districts. And I think for everybody here, it's just a concern.
James Davis lives in the closest house to the former Park Elementary building downtown, near 10th and North Main. He says there are lots of children who live nearby, so when the city first announced its plans to turn it into a homeless resource center and housing, some concerns came up. But he feels like city leaders are listening.
They've had several meetings with us, and they've been, right there with us, talking to us, and, they've really had our concerns at heart.
Tuesday, City Council approved a $2.2 million project for initial renovations of the property. It will include a new fire suppression system with sprinklers covering all sleeping areas, a new access control system on all doors inside and out. But it's what's outside people will see first. A privacy block wall 8 feet high that will replace this fence along Davis and his neighbor's property lines.
I think hearing that is just really showing that, they're on board with our concerns, and they're just really trying to make everything happen and make it work for everybody.
Here's a bird's eye view of where the new wall will be. The city says it will span all 720 feet of the north side of the property line where it meets the neighborhood on Water Street, and 520 feet of fencing along the west side of the property line next to the walking trail by Wichita Street. Davis says there's always been a homeless element in the area, but he's optimistic that having this new use of the old school will bring a new solution.
My hope is that with the city running it and all the people they say that they have coming to support them, monetarily or to help run it or whatever, that continues, and they continue to make this place look nice.
Now that the funds are there, we expect to see construction crews here really any day, because the city says it hopes to have it ready to open by Thanksgiving, just in time for winter.